Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now just by press and hold our fingerprint with our finger and just lift it here to the left or to the right side, we can activate the Facebook, music or Google Assistant. If you want to change these features, if you want to remove some from these apps or just to add here more applications or features, so we should go into the settings section, applications, then scroll down to the special features and tap here to the quick launch. Here we can see here our current menu. Just click here to edit, and now we can add here more just applications, 2 more apps or just features. For example, here we have applications, so let's add here the the photos app, and the second that can be the video or alarm clock, set up alarm clock, or just to one from the contacts. That can be also the Gmail account, the Google voice search, the Google TV, the notes, or maps, photos, YouTube. So let's just open first at the Gmail account. Here, if you want, we can switch just their positions. Just hold one from the apps and drag it by this way, and then just to save the changes, click here to OK. We can see here our current menu. To save them, just click to add it and just switch them. And now just one will hold our fingerprint scanner and leave them here to the left or to the right side. We can use one from these available features, for example the photos. So that's it. That's how to customize quick launch on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.